Bonjour à tous, welcome back to the French test. So today, let's continue with les exercices of our lesson 4, les animaux du zoo. We've already done question number 2 in the previous parts. You may refer to those videos and do this. And if you have any doubts, you can leave your questions in the comment section. So as for the first question, remplissez les blancs avec les bonnes conjugations du verbe. Fill the blanks with the correct conjugations of the verb. Les enfants dash n'a pas fini le repas. So I don't remember if we have discussed negation before, but as for the conjugation of finir, if you remember, it's in IR category, so we'll remove IR from the end, and this is third person plural, so we'll do finis double S with ENT at the end. And whenever we have to negate a verb, we add na in front of it and pa after the verb. So this is how it becomes a negative sentence. So les enfants ne finissent pas le repas. That means the children have not finished their meal. Next is il jette les restes du repas. Jeter means to throw. So this is an exception ER category. Here double T in the third person plural, it becomes double T, and you add ENT at the end. So il jette les restes du repas. They've thrown or they throw rest of the meal. Les femmes dash souvent les vêtements de couleur rouge. So the women are choosing vêtements of color red. Often choose clothes of red color. So choisir, again IR category. If you remember its conjugation, this is how you'll do it. Land dash beaucoup dans la science aujourd'hui. India is accomplishing a lot in the field of science today. So accompli, again third person singular, so it ends in IT. Land accompli. Les gens dash contre le gouvernement. Manifeste. ER category, so simply you will add ENT at the end. Le gouvernement dash des maisons pour les pauvres. The government bâtit des maisons, bâtit des maisons pour les pauvres. So the government has put out houses for the poor. I'm not sure of the correct meaning of the verb, but you'll conjugate it this way: bâti. Les fruits jaunissent pendant l'automne. The fruits turn yellow, jaunissent, during autumn. Just give me a second, I'll find out the correct meaning of this verb bâti. Bâti is build. Bâti means to build. Okay, so I hope you are able to understand this question and you are able to easily conjugate them. Moving on to the next question. Question number 3, again conjugate les verbes au présent. Again simple ER category verbs. You just have to remember the recently learned conjugation that we did for GER, wherein in the new form we add E before ONS, so it gives the sound of je. Rangeons. Mohit mange du gâteau. Je voyage en Chine. Rita et Sita apportent leur cartable. Ils écoutent de la musique. Nous rangeons notre chambre. Rita et Sumit sautent de l'escalier. Vous rentrez à la maison. Les enfants nagent dans la piscine. I hope you've understood the meanings of all these sentences. Mohit eats his cake. I travel to China. Rita and Sita carry their bags, and so on. Écrivez les nombres ordinaux. We have also discussed how to turn numbers into their ordinal forms. If you want to revisit that video, you can do so and then come back to this exercise if you're having any difficulty. So this becomes première, deuxième, troisième, quatrième, cinquième, sixième, septième, huitième, neuvième, dixième, onzième, douzième, treizième, quatorzième, quinzième, seizième, dix-septième, dix-huitième, dix-neuvième, vingtième. Identifiez et écrivez le nom des animaux. This we have again discussed in the text of this chapter. Le tigre, le lion, la vache, l'éléphant, le chien, le singe. Now here you are given a picture of a dog. I don't have the colored version of this book. So here you have to form sentences using these given words. Les yeux noirs means black eyes. Les poils courts is short hair. Une longue queue is a long tail. Marron is the color maroon. Méchant means naughty. Petit means small. Une langue rose is pink tongue. The petite path is pause. So what I want you to do is, now since you have done the conjugation of avoir, être and er verbs, these are the only three verbs that you need here to form sentences using these words to describe the dog. So for an example, I've written le chien a les yeux noirs. The dog has black eyes. So this is how I want you to do this as an exercise to test your French. For now, you have to use avoir to make sentences like the dog has a pink tongue or dog has short hair, and verbs like être to use or to make sentences like the dog is naughty or the dog is small, and porter means to wear. So you can write the dog is wearing a maroon collar. So that is how I want you to try doing this exercise on your own. If you have any doubts, do let me know. Formez les phrases avec les mots donnés. Form sentences with the given words. Il y a beaucoup de chocolat dans le panier. Means there are many chocolates in the basket. C'est une belle fille indienne. She's a beautiful Indian girl. L'éléphant est grand et beau. These are pretty phrases, pretty easy phrases that you can unjumble and form correct sentences. I hope you will be able to do that. Number 8, cochez les bonnes réponses. Now you have to choose the correct option out of these, which you'll be able to do if you have an understanding of the translation. So, lundi est le dash jour de la semaine. So this is Monday. Monday is the premiere, so first day of the week. Août est le dash mois de l'année. August is the huitième mois de l'année. August is the 8th month of the year. Novembre est l'onzième mois de l'année. Dimanche, Sunday, est le 7e jour de la semaine. Mars est le 3e mois de l'année. Jeudi est le 4e. This was March. Jeudi, this is Thursday. Jour de la semaine. 4e jour de la semaine. Janvier est le 1er mois de l'année. Et décembre est le 12e mois de l'année. So this is all about leçon 4. In the next video, we will begin with lesson 5. Quel temps fait-il? I hope that you've understood all the previous lessons and it has helped you progress in your journey of learning French in school and with me. I hope my videos have been of help to you. Keep watching and keep supporting. Thank you so much. Happy learning.